Introducing VSDC 9.4 Pro, your gateway to stunning videos. In a world saturated with visual content, crafting captivating videos is more crucial than ever. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or a budding YouTuber, having the right tools can make all the difference. Enter VSDC 9.4 Pro, a video editing software meticulously crafted to empower your creative vision. Don't let the Pro tag intimidate you. This software welcomes both beginners and experienced editors with open arms. Its intuitive interface and robust features work in perfect harmony, allowing you to transform raw footage into polished masterpieces. Gone are the days of grappling with clunky software and exorbitant price tags. VSDC 9.4 Pro shatters the mold, offering professional-grade video editing without breaking the bank. From sleek transitions to eye-catching effects, this software equips you with everything you need to captivate your audience. Whether you're editing a vlog, a short film, or a corporate presentation, VSDC 9.4 Pro has you covered. A bounty of features, unleashing your creative potential. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the treasure trove of features that VSDC 9.4 Pro has to offer. First on the list is the Enhanced Effect Management System, a godsend for those who love to experiment. This intuitive system lets you organize, apply, and fine-tune multiple effects with unprecedented ease. Imagine effortlessly layering transitions, color grading, and visual effects to create a truly cinematic experience. Next up, we have a library of over 100 background templates. Say goodbye to dull and uninspired backdrops. VSDC 9.4 Pro provides a diverse range of templates to complement any video style. Whether you're aiming for a corporate, a cinematic, or a whimsical aesthetic, you'll find the perfect backdrop to elevate your content. No more scouring the internet for hours on end. And let's not forget about the streamlined editing workflow. VSDC 9.4 Pro has been meticulously designed to make the editing process as smooth as silk. The intuitive interface puts all the essential tools at your fingertips, allowing you to trim, cut, split, and merge clips with remarkable precision. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, you'll appreciate the software's user-friendly approach. Advantages that set you apart. Professionalism at your fingertips. Now let's move on to the advantages that truly set VSDC 9.4 Pro apart from the competition. One standout feature is motion tracking, a tool often found in high-end editing software. With motion tracking, you can effortlessly track the movement of objects within your video and apply effects to them with pinpoint accuracy. Imagine adding text that follows a moving subject or blurring out a license plate. The possibilities are endless. For those who demand pristine audio quality, VSDC 9.4 Pro offers robust audio waveform editing. This feature gives you granular control over your audio tracks, allowing you to adjust volume levels, remove noise, and apply effects with surgical precision. No more settling for subpar audio. With VSDC 9.4 Pro, you can ensure that your videos sound just as good as they look. But that's not all. VSDC 9.4 Pro also empowers you to create mesmerizing visual effects that sync perfectly with your music. Imagine beats dropping in perfect harmony with dynamic transitions and pulsating visual elements. This feature is a game changer for creating music videos, promotional content, and any other video that demands a touch of visual flair. Section 4. A chorus of praise, what users are saying. VSDC 9.4 Pro has garnered widespread acclaim from both novice and seasoned video editors. With an impressive rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars on leading software review platforms like G2 and Software Advice, it's clear that this software is making waves in the creative community. Users rave about its intuitive interface, powerful features, and most importantly, its affordability. I was blown away by how easy VSDC 9.4 Pro was to use, says Sarah J., a freelance video editor. I was able to create professional-looking videos within hours of downloading the software. John K., a YouTube content creator, echoes this sentiment, stating, VSDC 9.4 Pro has all the features I need to create engaging content for my channel, and it doesn't cost an arm and a leg. These testimonials are a testament to the software's ability to cater to a wide range of users, from those just dipping their toes into the world of video editing to seasoned professionals looking for a powerful yet affordable solution. Section 5. Take the leap, download, or upgrade today. Ready to unleash your inner filmmaker and create videos that captivate and inspire? Your journey starts with VSDC 9.4 Pro. Whether you're looking to edit home movies, craft engaging YouTube content, or produce professional-grade videos, this software has everything you need and more. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the power of VSDC 9.4 Pro firsthand. Head over to the official VSDC website and download the free version to explore its intuitive interface and impressive features. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of this exceptional software, upgrading to the Pro version is just a click away. With its unbeatable price-to-performance ratio, VSDC 9.4 Pro is an investment that will pay dividends for years to come. Start creating the videos of your dreams today.